Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pancakes using an easy method. First, gather your dry ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, prepare your wet ingredients: 1 1/4 cups of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, whisk the milk, egg, and melted butter until smooth. Then, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spatula until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually preferred for fluffy pancakes. Overmixing develops gluten, making pancakes tough. It's time to cook these delicious pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. You can test the temperature by flicking a few drops of water onto the surface. They should sizzle and evaporate quickly. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, leaving some space between them. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Your fluffy, golden pancakes are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include a drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. You can also get creative with chocolate chips, sliced bananas, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. For other great deals, and to check out those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look for the links in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.